Summer activities. Let's learn vocabulary. Surf. Sail. Dive. Water ski. Swim. Get wet. Skip. Do karate. Jog. Hop. Skateboard. Play the violin. Have a picnic. Let's practice. Look, listen, and say. Look. He is surfing. Look. He is sailing. Look. He is diving. Look. He is water skiing. Look. He is getting wet. Look. He is skipping. Look. They are doing karate. Look. She is playing the violin. Look. She is jogging. Look. He is hopping. Look. They are skateboarding. Look. They are having a picnic. Quiz time. Let's check your knowledge. What is he doing? A. He is surfing. B. He is sailing. C. He is hopping. D. He is jogging. A. He is surfing. What are they doing? A. They are sailing. B. They are skateboarding. C. They are having a picnic. D. They are jogging. Yes. A. They are sailing. What is he doing? A. He is jogging. B. He is diving. C. He is swimming. D. He is surfing. B. He is diving. What is he doing? A. He is water skiing. B. He is diving. C. He is sailing. D. He is surfing. A. He is water skiing. What is he doing? A. He is hopping. B. He is jogging. C. He is surfing. D. He is getting wet. D. He is getting wet. What is she doing? A. She is skipping. B. She is doing karate. C. She is skateboarding. D. She is having a picnic. A. She is skipping. What is she doing? A. She is skipping. B. She is skateboarding. C. She is doing karate. D. She is playing the violin. C. She is doing karate. What are they doing? A. They are jogging. B. They are playing the violin. C. They are hopping. D. They are surfing. A. They are jogging. What is he doing? A. He is jogging. B. He is diving. C. He is sailing. D. He is playing the violin. D. He is playing the violin. What are they doing? A. They are sailing. B. They are jogging. C. They are hopping. D. They are water skiing. C. They are hopping. What are they doing? A. They are playing. B. They are sailing. C. They are having a picnic. D. They are jogging. C. They are having a picnic. What are they doing? A. They are skateboarding. B. They are hopping. C. They're jogging. D. They are skipping. A. They are skateboarding. See you next time.